So you're wanting to have cilantro year-round. We planted this about 10 days ago, and now we're beginning to see the growth happen here. We packed it in very, very tight. Some of these seeds didn't germinate. Some of them are just now germinating. They're in different stages. So what we will do now is start another cup in about 2 or 3 days, so we have a gradual succession of cilantro in which we can keep on our windowsill. We don't have to worry about it going to bolt. We don't have to worry about insects eating it. And we can get about 2 cuttings per planting off of it. Now, it does help if you have cilantro seeds in bulk. We were able to save cilantro seeds a couple of years ago. We've got many, many seeds, several hundred seeds here to go through. So that's not going to be a problem. You could get coriander, which is the culinary term for cilantro seeds, at your organic grocery store and potentially in bulk and get those to grow. I'm not completely sure, but that should work fairly well. But this is a way in which you can have cilantro year-round inside without much effort at all.
For more information, please visit thewisconsinvegetablegardener.com.